Hello, my name is Roman. I'm 26 years old, and recently in November 2024 I finished my studies in kood Jõhvi, and right now I'm working as a technical project manager at Tele2. So before kood Jõhvi I was working as a firefighter, and one day I decided to challenge myself and to try something new in my life. So I got to know about this amazing school like kood Jõhvi. So I wanted to try myself there, and I applied, and I got there and started my studies there. My experience at kood Jõhvi was amazing. I get a lot of new connections there. I met amazing people there. I could do different amazing projects with them as well. As I'm working as a technical project manager, so mostly I'm using different scripts at my work that usually helps me to simplify my work. Anyone should study IT because IT world is something that is constantly developing. So people choose the right direction that they want to get know better, that maybe they want to study. And I think that kood Jõhvi is an excellent choice to people who want to learn IT, mostly doing different real-life projects.